Dinky Dong.
Side. What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is?
It's an Dinky Dong.
Shout it out. That's right. Iggle, piggle, iggle, onk. We're going to catch
Dinky Dong.
Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. Hear the noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right, it's the Pinky Pong. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see?
1, 2, 3.
Tombliboo, knock on the door. Tombliboo, Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo,
All right, that's it.
my nose. Tombliboo, Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Who's here? It's the Ahoos. Ahoo! Can you say it? Ahoo! Maka Paka's cave.
Paka, Paka.
Is he in? Yes. Hello, Maka Paka. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Maka Paka, Aka Waka, Mika Maka Moo. Maka Paka, Aka Yaka, Ika Aka Moo. It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy. Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. It's the Pontipines. All together, off we go. It's Igglepiggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, wiggle, nickel, diggle. Yes, my name is Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle, nickel, wiggle, woo.
Hi, Igglepiggle.
Look, there are all of Igglepiggle's friends. It's time for us to go.